Salamat, sir. Salamat, Madam Chair. And maybe there will be an
Madam-
opportunity later to inquire
Madam
from
Chair,
the IAS
just a
spokesperson.
parliamentary-
Yes, Senator Cheese,
Yes,
go
thank
ahead.
you. Earlier, I heard the chairperson state that the documents to be given were to be treated as if I heard you correctly, ma'am, were to be treated as if they were given in executive session. However, Madam Chair, the witness testified in open session. So do I take it now that all the documents are now a matter of public record?
Yes, they are. Only that the reason why that was the initial guideline is because we are as much as possible avoiding mentioning of names, particularly as to the alleged perpetrators as much as possible. And the names of the alleged perpetrators are actually found in the records, including the affidavit. But we can always...
May I ask, Madam Chair, what the reason is? Why hide the names of the policemen who allegedly, and they have been charged with murder already by the PNP itself? In fact, I noticed in the course of the hearing that their names were not being mentioned. What is the reason behind that, if any?
That's just actually part of the atmosphere of fairness that we're trying to create here, but that is only the position of the chair, and this is not something that is a hard and fast rule, because if there is really need to mention those names, then we can. Anyway, this is a fact-finding inquiry.
Under our rules, Madam Chair, fairness dictates that whoever is accused in a Senate investigation has the equal opportunity to attend the session and present his or her side. So should the names of the PNP personnel allegedly involved in the perpetration of this crime of murder be mentioned, then the Senate should simply afford them the equal opportunity to attend and give their side should they decide to do so. But I don't think there is a need, based on fairness simply, for us to hide their names, especially given that the wife of the victim herself appeared and gave her name. Kung yung biktima walang kinakatakutan sa kanyang paglalahad ng sinasabi niyang salaysay, dapat din may pagkakataon kung nabanggit yung pangalan na magpunta sila rito kung sakasakali na nanaisin po nila.
A very valid point.
Thank
Thank
Madam
you.
Chair.
Very well taken.